Hello friends, welcome to this screencast. Today I am going to start a new series of tutorial, that is HTML tutorial series. So what is HTML? HTML is actually a programming language and which is used for creating website or web pages. So like here you can see this is actually a website, youtube.com/Bishwarup Adhikari, my YouTube channel. And here you can see biswarupadhikari.com, here you can see sublimetext.com. These all are website, and all of these website are created using HTML. So if you want to create a website, you must have to learn HTML. So what is HTML? So the full form HTML, that is hypertext markup language. So what does it mean, this hypertext markup language? Hypertext, actually in the paper or books, whatever text we can see, these are normal text. But which text are displayed in electronic display, let's say in monitor or mobile, in LCD display, anywhere, these texts are called hypertext. So you understand what is hypertext. Next is markup. So sometimes we read some paper, okay, and suppose if we found some good point, then we mark using our marker, using some green or yellow pen, so that we can differentiate that word or sentence from the other. That's called marking up. So from that section we have got markup. So like we can display or we can add some markup in the hypertext, so that is hypertext markup. And actually in HTML we have to follow some syntax or some guideline. That's why it's called language, because it has some own grammar. You have to follow that grammar to tell that browser that display my text like this. So this is actually language. So from this concept came like hypertext markup language. So these are the website, all are created using HTML. Okay, so if you want to create a website, so you must have to learn HTML. So I'm giving you a look that what is the HTML. So if I view source, so here you can see lot of coding. Okay, so these are all HTML code. So here you can see these are all HTML code. So when you write some HTML code, that browser know that how to generate different things from your code. Like you will simply write something that display image, and when your code will be executed in the browser, that time an image will be displayed. So like we are communicating with the browser through code. That's why HTML is a language. Okay, so to learn HTML you need some basic requirement. So no special requirement, like to do HTML coding you just need one editor. What is the editor? By which you can edit any file. Let's say for Windows, Notepad is an editor where you can edit your file. For Linux you can use gedit, any other lot of applications editor available. Or you can download this one, that is Sublime Text. This is an awesome editor. So this is available for Linux, Windows and Mac. This is free, actually not free, but you can use trial version for long time. They have no limitation of trial period, so I think it's very good. So download this one and install in Linux or in Windows. I have already installed. So here you can see my Sublime Text 2 installed, and here we can write our code, and we can save this HTML code to a file. So like our editing problem solved. Now the question is how to run HTML code. So simple things like, who can read your HTML code? Browser. So just you have to open your file in the browser. Then browser will translate your HTML code to a display. Then you can see like this. Okay. So this is actually a introduction episode. From the next episode I will start how to write HTML code in the Sublime Text. So everybody install the Sublime Text in the Windows, Linux and Mac. And if you have any question, suggestion, please write comment below this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.